Here we've got a look at the visibility improvements after just 10 days of launching a new website. And in this particular case, this is actually a multi-state concrete lifting business. They operate in a number of states. They've been around for years, and they just had an underperforming, basic, thin sort of brochure-style website. So it wasn't bringing in the calls that they needed it to. They used to do a lot with paid ads, and that just has gotten more and more expensive to the point where it's kind of priced out any sort of margin. So focusing on building assets that are going to generate calls was certainly the name of the game here. And so we benchmarked some rankings at the beginning of January here, January 8th, and the ones that say new were ones that there was no previous rankings for in these sampling of target cities. And you can see the drastic change. They had a few rankings. They were 15th here, 6th here for pool deck leveling, and some other keywords. But by and large, there was not much for visibility. And almost overnight, we launched on the 10th, and by the 20th, we've jumped in all these different again sampling of keyword searches that people are going to be doing on Google. And so obviously, the idea here is to just spread out more and more of these assets and drive more and more, basically digital billboards in each and every one of the different target cities. And this is kind of the result that we expect when we build up these things the right way. So they went from a very, again, basic, probably about a 20-page website, and we built that up to over 50 pages and beyond, and thorough, in-depth content with proof. And this is the result. And in a variety of different cities and states as well. So again, this isn't like just a local contractor where all the effort is focused on one town or area. In this case, again, it's spread out throughout the United States. So it takes some slightly different strategies to target multi-state versus just a localized area. But the process again here just works.